The little child known as Osiris and the big child named Set were the designations bestowed upon them by the ancient Egyptians. When you observe Set, you can sense his realization that his grip on power is slipping away. In a desperate move, he strikes a devastating blow and seizes his brother's throne. He proceeds to tear Osiris apart, scattering his remains throughout the Nile. This is a captivating tale that has been passed down through generations. Now, in addition to all of that, the fragmented Osiris's wife is concealed somewhere. As per the Egyptian tale, she hides within a cave, nestled by the river's edge. It is there that she diligently gathers her husband's scattered pieces. She painstakingly collects and temporarily restores him.